Ruler. A ruler is a tool used to measure the length of something. Pencil. A pencil is a thin edge of graphite with wooden or plastic shafts, sometimes with rubber at one end. Eraser. An eraser, or a rubber, is made from rubber that is used to get rid of marks made from a pencil, or some types of pen. Crayon. A crayon is a pencil containing colored wax or clay, or a rod of colored wax used for drawing. Geometry box. A geometry box is a set of basic tools required for mathematical measurements and calculations. Ballpoint pen. A ballpoint pen is a pen that dispenses ink over a metal ball. Book. A book is a set of printed sheets of paper held together between two covers. Sharpener. Sharpener is used to sharp the pencil lead. Bag. A bag is for carrying school books and school supplies. Chart. A chart is a useful way to present and display information or instructions, especially in a classroom. Paper clip. A paper clip is a small piece of bent wire that is used to fasten papers together.